Get your butt in there, trust me, it is worth it. It is worth it. You will come out a different person. It's amazing. Overall, I'm sleeping better, I have a better mood. People at work I'm working with now notice a change. I'm not irritable, I'm not as crabby. I'm just feeling better in general, honestly. My place of work, it's a little older people, so I was always kind of impatient, but now, nope, go ahead, take your time. I can just try and move on now. I have a better view in general of everything. And I think, honestly, it has to do a lot with sleep, because I had a hard time sleeping. So I'd say I sleep about at least 8 hours now, which is a huge change from 4-ish hours, 5 maybe, and waking up all the time. I maybe wake up once, if that. I don't wake up exhausted anymore, so I'm not miserable all day long. Just working and coming back, I'm not tired. I'm like cleaning and doing things compared to just going right into my bed. Watching TV all the time. I'm involved. I have a dog, so I play with him now. We go outside and do things, which he loves now, so that's a plus too. Yeah. I'm just not going straight to bed every night like I used to. I had self-harm issues, and I've only had one urge since this treatment, and I haven't, gave in. So it's been about 7 months now of not doing it at all. Struggled with that one for 9 years too. And I went to treatment for it and everything like that, but this overall helped probably the most, honestly. Just blessed, and this is an amazing opportunity, and I really appreciate everything.